This is Albert. Albert is a director. But it's already past midnight. Albert, hindi ka ba nagugutom? Hmm. That fried chicken looks very good. Kaso, kaya mo bang umubos ng isang buong manok? Or maybe, just have some fun. Albert, do you want to play this game? Do you have 1 dirham? Okay, good luck. Do your best, Albert. Oh, it's okay. You can try again next time. Why not shop around? Sa Alriga, even though it's past 12 midnight, marami pa ring shopping malls ang open. Albert, may napili ka ba? Walang napili si Derek. So, Derek, let's go somewhere else. So, medyo mainit ngayon, pero masipag kasi to si Derek. Kaya kahit mainit, work pa rin. Pero mukhang yung friend natin, saan papunta? Alam ko nang nasa isip mo. Ice cream. It's perfect kasi napakainit ngayon sa Dubai. Perfect, perfect. Sabi nila, Dubai is a place of opportunities and possibilities. So, direct, balak mo ba manalo? It's only 5 dirhams. Ano kaya magpapanalo? Nanalo ka ng 5 dirhams from your 5 dirhams. Not bad. Ang sipag talaga ng friend natin. Albert, it's getting late, so mukhang uuwi ka na. Thank you so much sa paggala mo sa amin.